Quick question. Would you cheat your way to earnings of over $152,000 a year without having to do so much as lifting a muscle? Of course you would. Who wouldn't, right? Whilst this evasive reality is possible, it always stays just out of your reach. But what if, rather than wildly lunging to grab a hold of your big break, you discovered a simple and secure way to pull in the profits you desire? Now, I know what you're beginning to think, and no, this isn't what you think it is. I suggest you sit up straight and listen. I assure you, what I'm about to say will change the way you make money forever. You're surely aware about the power behind the currency exchange by now. The fact you've landed on this page tells me you're more than interested in the money-making potential of Forex. And with $4 trillion in the market every day, you'd be completely nuts not to want your slice of the pie. Before we move on to how you can take your chunk of the action, just pause for a moment. Imagine the change you'd feel if you had access to the exact trades used by an elite group of traders that compete against each other to make the most profit. Within this inner circle of elite traders, whoever makes the most money then has those exact trades automatically replicated. The signal is then sent for you to make the same incredible profits they did, resulting in an income that is easily worth more than $50,000 a month from just a small foundation budget. This is exactly what is being showcased to you today. Watch as 7 inner circle traders compete in a trading showdown. Simply, the most profitable trades will automatically become your trades. Simply put, the traders who make the most money that day instantly let you in on their secrets. This is a golden opportunity for you to make real, concrete, consistent money through the skills of professional trading connoisseurs. When they make money, you make money. Leap past learning tons of technical info and making rookie mistakes. Simply sit amongst the elite, ready to eat up the colossal amounts of cash that they do. Today is your opportunity. The longer you wait to take action, the more you're damaging your chances of building a successful trading portfolio. But don't be fooled. What I'm about to show you is by no means a magic pill miracle formula or a 1 in a million accident that I someday just stumbled across. Before I reveal to you exactly how this works, let me introduce myself. My name is Greg White. I'm a real trader with a real passion for making big money through Forex trading. For the most part, I've been hugely successful, and my personal wealth is something that I no longer need to worry about. But I'm concerned with one thing. When it comes to Forex systems, the internet is a junkyard. I've even heard phony traders claiming a high-tech EA robot that took 10 years to develop is going to turn you into an overnight millionaire. Wow, what BS. In today's rapidly moving markets, something that started development 10 years ago would now be 9.5 years out of date and do nothing but spend your money like a desperate housewife. That's not to say you can't make quick cash out of these expert advisors. There are profitable options online, but the truth is these so-called super robots are usually extremely broker dependent and therefore require tedious manual updates every few weeks to keep their software in tune with the market conditions. Another major drawdown of EAs, of course, is that the performance varies drastically from user to user. You can never really have the assurance to risk large amounts using one of these robots, since so much depends on updates and a broker you can really not trust. Plus, would you really want to invest $10,000 into something with no brain for itself? If there is one small glitch in its programming, you stand to lose everything. Imagine your trades spawning from an account that allow easy access to savvy programmers who could effortlessly hack your account and potentially wipe out everything. The idea of this is terrifying. Rest assured that our elite users will have 100% bulletproof secure trades along with access to real-time up-to-date statements that monitor their trades inside the members area. We cover every angle to protect our users. Vendors who offer investor access clearly have no idea what it takes to protect their client's investment. They put you in the firing line. You're the one at risk, not them. If you have any interest in making big money in Forex, the kind of money that changes the way you live forever, then my advice is simple. I advise you to seriously reconsider placing any large sums of money into something as frail as a product with investors' access. You need to be able to sleep well at night, knowing you're waking up to a safe and secure profit. Investor accounts are not the only unreliable form of trading. The same is true of robotic EAs. All robots need to be constantly updated by the vendor, which is no guarantee, and after that will need reinstalling. This is not a truly effective way for you to make money when you're forced to take time out every 2 weeks to update your EAs. The real problem I have with EAs is that you can't trust them on an account with anything more than $500. Small change is not a problem in this kind of a system, but would you really trust placing any more than $500 into a robot or system that costs just $47 and is sold by the truckload with completely mixed reviews? Would you put your Black American Express card in a $2 wallet? Once you realize the truth, you'll struggle to sleep easy at night, knowing that a robot, or even worse, a semi-pro Forex wannabe, is wildly stabbing in the dark with your hard-earned cash for mediocre gains, or even losses. Think about it. You don't have to take my advice when I say all of this, but if you do, you'll save yourself a lot of time and even more cash in the process. The secret I'm about to reveal to you in a minute's time is the answer to everything. I'm sure you're beginning to sense there is a way for complete rookies and trading veterans alike to rocket their income potential and make world-class trades on a regular basis by exploiting gaps in the market. Manual trading in the right hands is the most effective way to secure solid, long-term profits. After years of diligent work crafting my own methods of making money on the exchange, I, like you, became enthralled in other elite traders' methods. I wasn't the only self-made millionaire at the FX Traders Party, so naturally I was interested to see how the others did it. To my surprise, the variations amongst the top 1% of traders were immense. Things I considered trading suicide were ironically giving guys a lifeline and making them tons of cash, money so deep and green you could almost swim in it. It was then I realized I had to do something different. I couldn't spend all my time and efforts relearning how to trade. My winning formula worked, but it didn't afford me the fulfillment we all really desire on a deep-rooted core identity level. I wondered, could I somehow combine my expertise with the best traders around to make one simple system that is without a doubt the perfect trading goldmine? It had to work, right? Immediately, I got an answer to that question. No. The trading styles were too different. Each trader I met had a completely different secret. It just didn't work. It was then that the idea just clicked. I shared my dilemma with 7 of the world's most successful traders in an attempt to come to a mutual money-making agreement. I knew I was onto something big, and between us we could take the industry for millions. The answer to all of our problems was so simple. What we needed was to set up a hedge fund and begin a league of cream-of-the-crop traders that battle it out to make the most cash every month. So we combined our efforts into a hedge fund. The potential risk factor in any given trade is virtually eliminated, with each trader adopting a specific type of trading style, from highly aggressive to level-headed and risk-free. We assured ourselves the benefit of coming out with large profit margins and extra fat pockets every month, no matter what happened. I introduced to you AutoAignals Pro, the #1 automated experts of trading domination. Since the fund was set up nearly 18 months ago, we have each earned over $52,000 a month. That's an astonishing $364,000 a month between 7 of the world's best traders, all without pouring in our own money or adding our own personal trades to the sum. This is just commission generated by trading for the big guns. This was all generated with just a few of our initial private investors' money, nothing more. 7 months ago, we then had a brilliant idea to release AutoAignals Pro, where the not-so-big guys, traders who don't have 100 to 250k capital floating around to invest, could still benefit from our powerhouse trading group. This is using the same methods and the elite traders that casually make tens of thousands of dollars a day for the big boys. My entire team of traders are completely motivated to begin making explosive trades for you. The truth is, we're already making big bucks from this without you. So your being involved makes no difference to any of these traders, and they're looking to make themselves big profits regardless. Plus, with AutoAignals Pro, with each trade that I select, I give that particular trader a bonus payment for their diligent work. The commission they receive, which is from my pocket, not yours, is enough to ensure a fresh injection of cash into their luxury lifestyle. They're literally spilling their guts to make profitable trades for you. These 7 elite traders are all competing against each other to create the best trades 24/5. Before you're overwhelmed by the numbers, let me explain how all of this is possible for you. Using a very sophisticated yet simple method, you can now take identical trades to that of that month's top-performing traders within the hedge fund and make the same solid, concrete profits that we do. As soon as a lucrative trade is made, that signal is directly transmitted to our server, which then takes the trade and instantly replicates it for you. This even happens if your computer is turned off and you're on vacation, and it all happens in just a few milliseconds. I don't even want to be accused of being someone who is trying to lead you down the wrong path, or even allowing you to walk down one without warning you first. You should know that our team have developed a piece of latency-free trading software which duplicates every trade from AutoAignals Pro with 100% precision. With ASP, you too will get the actual profitable trades that real choice traders are making. As they securely make money, you securely make money. Begin trading like big banks and professionals without the pressure and headaches of losses, and discover the secrets of true pros that make thousands of dollars each and every week. The numbers don't lie. The average return each month is a stunning 28.42%. That's over $2,800 profit on a $10,000 account in just 30 days. If you were wise and decided to reinvest, that would compound and give you a 45 to 55% profit margin in a matter of months. Even 100% profits from your original $10,000 investment would not be an exaggeration, and you could soon be making $10,000 a week profit on complete autopilot. This is on low-risk settings. Remember, you can trade as aggressively as you want, and we assure you that everyone profits. Don't just take my word for it. The statements and screenshots you're about to see below will do all the talking. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, why are you sharing all this with me? The answer is so transparent and honest it's impossible to ignore. With these intricate, dedicated traders already making big green wads of cash through their combined expertise, they stand to make even more money by providing you with what is essentially already happening regardless. For the very reasonable initial investment you make, we pump that cash directly into our trading accounts and work tirelessly to effortlessly bring home incisive pip-producing trades, making you a ton of money in the process. By now, you realize that ASP is your opportunity to make real money today. This big break will not be available forever. Exploit this opportunity right now by simply scrolling down to secure your place with AutoAignals Pro.